This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
In this video, I want to show you the importance of ranking your actual App Store URL. Here's what I mean by that. So of course my app is the business plan app. So if I search for business plan app in here, take a look at what happens. Of course, this is an ad, this is an ad, this is an ad, this is an ad. So these are where the natural search results start. And take a look at this right here. This is the Android URL for my app in the App Store. You see that? So the App Store URL actually ranks in Google search. The same thing. This is my iPhone app. And so this ranks as well. You see, so I've got two listings in the top 10 of Google. Even if I search different search terms, sometimes my apps come up, and a portion of your users, your searchers, surprisingly enough, they search Google for like best business plan apps or something. And then, my app comes up. So searches like that, you can rank in Google search and get extra downloads, because these people are not searching the App Store, they're searching Google search. And how do you get downloads? Well, the way you can rank higher here is, of course, the keywords are important, but you're already going to use the keywords, so you're fine there. The next thing you want to do is build backlinks to this app URL. And this is not a hard thing to do, because you can start with your own blog and consistently mention your apps and link to your apps from your blog, whatever guest post you might be writing, sharing this URL on social media, and just giving it some activity. And of course, Google picks up on the large numbers here, so a lot of votes, a lot of big ratings. This also helps, although it's not a prerequisite, because even when the app was very young, I was still ranking in this search. So you don't have to think like, oh, the app has to be old app with a lot of reviews. Not quite. So just keep in mind these little strategies, and you'll actually be able to sneak into a lot of search results just from Google and get downloads this new way.